What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. My name is Spencer.
And I'm Christy. As much as we love being out in nature and exploring hiking, canoeing, kayaking, we really also enjoy exploring little towns. And where we're staying, we're close to like some super cute ones like Park City, which is like mountain-esque, like very...
Oh, it is a genuine mountain town for sure.
Super cool. And then there's another one, Midway.
It's down in the valley. And it's like a Swiss-inspired town.
Yeah, and so like we've just been having fun, just walking through, checking out the shops, tasting some tasty treats, and that's kind of inspired my recipe for today. So today we're making something super flavorful, very easy. We are going to be griddling a French onion grilled cheese.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
I have the griddle set to medium, and first things first, I'm gonna get some butter down, and then we are gonna get our onions cooking. On our onions, we're gonna coat them with a bunch of pepper and then some salt. We're gonna add a little bit of red wine vinegar onto our onions. The onions are going to take a little bit of time to cook down, but you want to make sure you keep them moving frequently so they get that nice and soft consistency, but don't dry out. So the next thing that we've got is we are going to add our smoked Gruyere cheese right to our onions, and then we're going to mix them all in together. And because this is a grilled cheese, we're going to want a lot of cheese. It's looking so good. So we're going to move our onion and cheese mixture right onto our bread. We're going to cover it with our other piece, get a little bit of butter down, and place our sandwich right down to get it toasted. In preparation for flipping our sandwich over to toast the other side, I'm just going to coat it with the soft butter. There we go. Flip that. Our sandwich is looking awesome. It is time to pull it off the griddle. All right, we're gonna just cut this up nicely. Oh, listen to that crunch.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
My only question is, where's the beef?
All right, so while we were cooking, Spencer was like, you know what, this might be our very first vegetarian sandwich on here, and we were trying to think, it actually might.
Well,
so
no
he wants
deal.
some meat next time. We can do that, but anyways,
Carnivore.
right now it is a French onion grilled cheese. Let's dive in and see what we think.
Okay,
Mm,
I'll give it to you. That's a fantastic sandwich.
that is so good.
That bread is amazing.
The crunch, the flavors of the cheese, the Gruyere, the onion.
Yeah, the onions are cooked perfectly. You did a great job there.
Nailed it.
Okay, I'll forgive you for no meat this time.
So good.
Thank you guys for watching. We always appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring the bell on that YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the videos from any of the great cooks.
From Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.